Hello, my name is Mateusz Wyszyński. I'm a lecturer at Lazarski University, and I would like to welcome you to this Introduction to Programming in Python course. As the name suggests, this is a course for everyone. It's basic things in Python. We do not assume that you have any specific background or any knowledge in programming whatsoever. You can be student of maths, but you can be student of arts and design. You can be student of management. You can be student of economics. No matter what is your background, what is your current state of knowledge, this course should be for you, and you should be able to go through this course and learn a lot. Why should you even follow this course? Well, as you know, programming is everywhere around us. Computers, some other machines like mobile phones, even TV screens right now use some. You can use some applications through your TV screen. So basically, programming is everywhere, and no matter if you want to become a programmer, then obviously you have to learn programming. But even if it's not the case, even if you are a doctor, let's say, if you are studying some medicine, still it's valuable for you to understand how it works, at least at a basic level. It will be easier for you to understand how the tools you use every day, either in your job or in your life, work, why projects which you, for instance, manage take up this amount of time, how programmers' job look like. So various reasons. It's good to have like at least an overview how this field works, what is inside, and see everything for yourself. So a final thing I want to mention is that you don't have to have anything prepared. You won't need to install anything on your computer. Everything will happen through a web browser. We will be using things called notebooks. You will be using a tool called Google Colaboratory to display these notebooks, to go through them. Everything will be described to you along the way. You will have videos where I describe what's going on, where I walk through these notebooks. So everything will be prepared for you. As I said, you don't have to install anything. You just have to open the notebooks, go to the course, watch the videos, and just enjoy. Just have fun, and hopefully you will learn a lot, and hopefully you will find this knowledge useful, either in your life or just to develop yourself. So thank you for joining me in this course, and see you in the next videos where we will start working with everything we have prepared for you.